Hello friends, this is Bhavna from Bapti and today we're gonna make mist for the mask. For this you will require essential oils. I have used lavender and lemon because it really uplifts your soul. And you will require fractionated coconut oil, it doesn't stain the cloth. And you will require beakers to measure your oils, and a measuring scale and your mask, and a bottle to fill in your final product. So let's get started. What we're waiting for. So for this, first we require to measure our fractionated coconut oil, right? Sorry for the autofocus that is happening, please excuse us. And then you require to measure essential oils. Make sure that you're measuring essential oil to 1 to 2% of your carrier oil. It shouldn't go 2% above than your carrier oil, right? Okay. If you want, you can use the same beaker to pour in your carrier oil and your essential oils. I have used 2 different beakers and for me it's much more easier. So then mix in both oils and then you have to really stir it. You can use spatula or whisker. I'm using my hand. Your final product is ready. This is this fast. So fill in your final product and it's ready to use. Yay! I mean, making this product is really easy. It doesn't take much of your time and it's very therapeutic because we are using pure essential oils and we are diluting it so it's not harming us, which is very essential when you're using essential oils. So yeah, make sure that don't use inside your mask. Always use this mist outside of your mask, right? And here we have your beautiful mist. Enjoy. If you really like our videos, we will appreciate if you comment below or subscribe to our channel. Thank you.